Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover exclamatory adjective. There is a separate playlist of adjectives in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available in the description box below. Now what are we waiting for? Without any further ado or delay, let's get started. What is an exclamatory adjective? The word what, when used to express strong emotion, functions act as an exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory adjective is a word that shows emotion, right? Exclamatory adjective what shows emotion, so it is used with a noun, and we know that what a question word is, right? But what is usually used to show strong emotion, so it means that a word is used to express strong emotion, and that's what an exclamatory adjective is. So we use exclamatory adjective in regular conversation, right? When we have to emphasize some strong feeling or emotion, right? So there it is used where we have to emphasize some sudden or strong or immediate feelings. Have a look at these examples here. What a captivating scene it is. What a captivating scene it is. So it's expressing a sudden excitement or sudden surprise or sudden outburst of emotion. The next example is what a stellar performance. What a stellar performance. Like you're so impressed, that was such a stellar performance. What a stellar performance. So that was all about an exclamatory adjective. This section, students, brings an end to today's video, and I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Lightup Knowledge. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video, right? So until we meet next time in the next video, keep learning, keep growing, keep spreading love and positivity. All the important playlists will be linked down in the description.